Okay, let's quickly talk about cycle before going. Good morning, Shubhodaya, Elriku Namaskara. Technically it is afternoon, but I just got a while ago. And then the first thing I do in the morning is I see a voice message from my friend Pooja. She says she's bored of walking. Let's go cycling from tomorrow. So I'm going to my parking space right next to my house to see what stage my cycle is in. Yeah, let's go and see. This is my cycle now. I haven't ridden cycle from past 2-3 years. This cycle is almost 6 to 7 years old. So let's see if this is the cycle. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was a flop. I have an ultra wide camera. Let me put it to that. Yeah. Ta-da! This is my cycle. Now the Firefox wiper, if anyone remembers that. Let's see if everything is in a good condition. Oh, there's no tire pressure. I have to pump that front here also. This is gonna take some while. So let me see where the pump is. Oh, yes, here. So let's pump. Okay, I managed to get the cycle from there to here. Now the question is, I have no space to keep the camera so that I can show you how I pump the tire, but there's no space, so let me pump it up fast and then show you. Got it attached, got my hands dirty. Now let's pump. It's not that easy. I'll pump and get back. Done with the back tire. Starting off with the front tire. This is very tiring. I can't even speak. I have to get fit as soon as possible. That's why this baby is out. Now, one more thing popped up in the mind while I was pumping. Does everyone follow a particular PSI? Because there's this PSI meter on the pump also, right? Does everyone follow that, or does everyone follow my technique? That is squeezing the tire until it's tight. I do that. Comment down below if you have to follow a particular PSI for a particular tire. 2-wheelers and 4-wheelers, yeah, you have to. But okay, right. But this very tiring. Let me finish pumping and get back. Oh my god, finally completed. This is my stage. I'm sweating like anything. Now that's stage 1. Stage 2, I have to wash the cycle. So let me quickly take it near my house and I'll wash.
2 hours later.
Okay, got the bicycle home. Most important. So tiring. I even washed my bicycle. I had no strength to sit and shoot anything. So I'm having water, cold water, chilled water, whatever you want to call it. One thing I realized is, if you either have a 2-wheeler, 4-wheeler and a cycle, you need to get a pocket compressor as soon as possible. It's very helpful at situations like these. Let me finish this glass of water and I'll get back. So hello again. So cycle is right in front of me. I've washed the cycle. It's completely ready. The chain was down. I fixed it as well. The tire is perfectly fine now. Time to show you and talk a few things about the cycle. Boom. So this is how the cycle looks. So sorry I can't show you properly from the side. I'll be putting that in the next vlog, where tomorrow morning I'll be actually riding the cycle with my friend, so then you can have a proper look. This is a Firefox wiper. If you can see, it says Firefox wiper. It is a gear cycle. It can be classified as a mountain bike. Yes, looking on the wheels and the gear structure, yes, it can be classified as a mountain bike. Now, talking a few good things about the bicycle. Well, I've had this bicycle from past, I got when I was in 7th, 8th. Yeah, I don't remember that exactly. 7th 8th grade, that is around 6 to 7 years from now. Yeah, so the cycle is extremely durable. That is one of the things, because the structure, everything is of aluminium, which is very durable. Now it comes with a disc brake at the rear, if you can see. Wait, sorry, this side. Yeah, this is the disc brake, so that's good. Second good thing is the aluminium structure. As I told you, it is with me from the past 6 to 7 years, and there's no scratch or anything. Extremely durable for the way I keep it though. And then let me talk about the things the cycle comes with and what on I have added extra, because I've added quite a few things. The bad thing about the Firefox cycle is that they don't give you anything legit. They didn't give me even this mudguard that you see here and here. You have to buy it extra. Then again, the stand that they give is waste. I say it is not meant for India though, because it literally doesn't stand, it falls all the time, so that is bad. Next thing, I'll talk about what I've added extra. First things first, the mudguard here, the two-piece mudguard for the front, and here this mudguard I've added extra. Again, this thing you see here is a gel seat, this is added extra. The stand you see here, this is new, this is extra. And again, if you see the front, you see this clamp, this is for the light. Yes, I have pretty cool features on my bicycle. I've added a few. This is the front light, it's a small light. Again, I'll show it to you. This is for the speedometer. Yes, you can add a speedometer for your bicycle. And then what else extra? Yeah, and if you see this is the rear light. Again, this is an extra fitting. So these are the extra things that I've got on my bicycle. This is the speedometer I was talking about. Now let's get it fixed on the bicycle. Yeah, pressed it hard, and then yeah, see, this is the speedometer. It shows basically time. Now it is showing us 4:11 is wrong time. I have to set it up, I have to reset, because I haven't used, right, from past 2-3 years at least I haven't used it. So how does this work? Now I don't know exact technicalities of that, but then one second, you see this sensor here, this and yeah, this and if you see here, this silver color thing, I think it measures something with this reads the motion of that, and then it gets transferred over here. And yes, that's how the speedometer works. Now another good thing is that the shock absorbers from this, I'm so sorry I'm not able to shoot properly, the space is very less, and please mind the background and my face and my foot and everything. I'm really sorry for that. The shock absorbers are really good. Yes, it's a gear cycle. This is your front gear system and this is your rear gear system. Now it's a 21 gear cycle. By 21, I don't know what exactly it means, but it technically doesn't have 21 gears. Now if you see here closely, here 7 how do you call it, gear wheels, 7 gear wheels are present here. And in the front, let me turn around, we can see 3 gear wheels are present, and then you multiply both those two and you get 7 into 3, that is 21 gears. That's how a cycle is classified, how many gears it has. So yeah, this is how the cycle looks. Weather is so nice right now, but it's drizzling. Actually it's raining pretty hard, but then I hope it doesn't rain tomorrow morning, because I've done so much hard work. I want to get the fruit of it and I want to cycle. Let's hope for the best. Stay tuned for the cycling vlog, where I'll be showing how the cycle, a few motion pictures, the motor vlogging, or the one that you fix something on your helmet. It's not yet here, I've booked it, it's on the way. Because of the lockdown, it's taking more time than expected. Sorry for that. Standing out, what do you expect? So yeah, stay tuned. With that said, if you're happy with this video, like it, and if you want to make some others happy as well, share it with at least 2 people so that you make others happy as well. With that said, I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. Stay connected, be ready to check it out.
Like,
Comment,
comment,
share,
share
and
and
subscribe.
subscribe.